This video will cover how to make and run an Agarose gel used to separate DNA fragments by size. To make the Agarose gel, start by gathering the materials needed to weigh agarose powder. Place your weigh paper on the balance, tear the scale, and weigh out the pre-calculated amount of agarose. Transfer the powdered agarose to an Erlenmeyer flask. Add the correct amount of TAE buffer and swirl to mix. The solution must be heated to dissolve the agarose, so microwave is used. The sample is covered and placed in the microwave, and the timer set for approximately 1 minute. Check the sample often, ensuring the liquid does not boil over. When the agarose is in solution, remove the hot flask from the microwave using a glove and swirl to mix. Since the stain we use is sensitive to heat, the flask must be cooled before dye is added. To cool the flask, run cold water over the sample while swirling. To check the temperature of the flask, touch the flask to your arm, but be careful and ensure you are wearing proper safety gear. Once the solution has cooled sufficiently, assemble the gel casting box as shown. Pipette the pre-calculated amount of dye into the flask and swirl to mix. Immediately pour the solution into the cast and allow it to solidify. Once the gel has solidified, remove the comb and the casting blocks. Fill the gel box with TAE buffer so that the top of the gel is slightly covered. Using a pipette, carefully load your samples into the wells. Ensure that the pipette tip does not puncture the gel, but instead sits just inside the well when loading. Attach the lid to the gel box and turn on the power supply. Press the start button and adjust the voltage to the desired parameters. When the gel has finished running, turn off the power supply and remove the lid. You'll notice the dye front has separated into 2 colors based on the size of the dyes. Your DNA has also separated and can be visualized using a UV lamp.